Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to always show number row of Microsoft Swiftkey on your Android. So by default, for example, there is no number here on a Microsoft Swift keyboard. You can type number when you tap the icon here, 1 2 3 icon, and this is the number. But you can turn on the number row without tap on this icon. The number row will be top on the alphabet, so you can try to go to the settings and then you can tap on additional settings, then tap on keyboard and input method. Here you can tap on Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard. Then next step, you can try to tap on layout and keys. Just turn on number and row. Always show number row at the top of your keyboard. And here we go. There is a number now at the top of the key word T here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.